Morning to all my lovely students. I'm here with grade 3 subject science chapter number 18, our universe part 2. So I'm back again with the part 2. In the previous part we have learnt about galaxy, the earth, the solar system. But now in this video we are going to learn something very interesting, and you'll get the knowledge that what is rotation, what is the evolution of the earth, how the seasons are caused. So let's understand it further. So we are going to learn about the universe only, the beautiful planet, yes, our earth on which we live. So let's understand it further. As we move, we all move from one place to another. So do earth also move? Yes, earth also move. Yes, earth move on its axis, that is the imaginary line. As we move from one place to another, so our earth is also moving each and every minute. Earth is not stationary, that means it is not fixed. It moves continuously around the sun in a fixed path called as orbit. So earth is moving in its orbit, which is known as the fixed path. So here is the fixed path. Can you see? The earth is moving continuously around the sun around the fixed path. This fixed path is known as the orbit. Next, earth has two types of movements. The one is rotation and the other is revolution. You must be confused with these two terms. So now listen it very carefully. What is rotation and what is revolution? I'll show you the picture first. This is the rotation and this is the revolution. So now let's understand deeply with these terms. The first one is rotation. I have discussed in the previous slide that earth has two movements. One is rotation, one is revolution. Earth spins on its imaginary line axis like a spinning top. This movement is called rotation, and earth completes one rotation in 24 hours. So can you see the rotation of the earth? It completes the one rotation in 24 hours. Coming to the next, the part of the earth facing the sun has day, and the other part which is away from the sun has night. So because of this rotation of the earth, we have day and night. I'll show you the picture. It will be more clear. So you can see this part is facing the sun. So this part of the earth, whatever countries are there in this part, are having day, the morning time. And this part, which is away from the sun, has night because it is not getting the sunlight. So here, whatever countries are there, they are having night. That's why if your friend is living in Canada, here is night. And if you're calling from India, and here the time is day. So that's why the difference is there. Next, coming to the next movement is revolution. The movement of the earth around the sun is called revolution. That is basically the earth is revolving around the sun, and that movement is called the revolution. And the earth completes one revolution in 365 days and 6 hours. So that's why we have 1 year which is equal to 365 days. So let's see the picture. Can you see? The earth is revolving around the sun. So the movement of the earth around the sun is called the revolution. Next, you have already been aware about the axis, which is the imaginary line, and it is always tilted. It is not straight. So the tilted axis and the revolution of the earth causes different seasons in a year. So that's why we have different seasons. You can see when the earth is revolving on its tilted axis, so we can have different seasons. We have summer, we have autumn, we have winter, we have spring. That means the revolution of the earth causes different season, whereas you know that the rotation of the earth causes day and night. So don't be confused in these two terms. Do you know from where do we get heat energy on the earth? we are getting heat. You sometimes say to your mom, it's very hot, mama. So from where do we get? The ultimate source of energy is sun. It's the closest star to the earth. Can you see the ball of fire? Yes, the ultimate source of energy on the earth. Sun is a star and a huge ball of extremely hot gases, which is the ultimate source of energy on earth. During daytime, it is the brightest object which gives us heat and light. As you know, the sun gives us heat and light. So it is the ultimate source of energy on the earth. That's why you feel very hot. Next comes light from the sun takes 8 minutes to reach earth. So remember this point. You must be not knowing that whatever light we are getting from the sun, it takes 8 minutes to reach the earth. The next one is sun is so huge that over 1 million planets of earth's size could be fit inside it. So can you imagine that earth, so many earth can be fit inside the sun. It is so huge. Next, understand what is a satellite. A heavenly body that revolves around the planet is called a satellite. So we have only one natural satellite, that is called moon. Can you see? Moon is revolving around the planet, that is our earth. So it's the heavenly body that revolves around the planet. Moon, as I told you, the only natural satellite of the earth. Can you see this moon? Yes. Many scientists are trying to land on moon also. We have heard in the news. Moon has no air, water and light. It shines. Why do the moon shines? It does not have its own light. It reflects the sun's light which falls on it. It will be more clear with the picture. So, moon has no air, no water and no light. Can you see the sun light is reflecting on the moon and which is directly falling on our earth. So, moon is only reflecting the sun's light. That's why we think that moon has light, but moon has no light. It reflects the sun's light. Find out. Now, one thing I'm giving you, you need to find out for this month which date we have full moon and which date we have new moon. Okay, so you will tell me on which date the full moon will appear and on which date the new moon will appear. Now coming to the stars, twinkle twinkle little stars. Stars, the huge balls of extremely hot gases are the stars. They look small, but they are not because they are far away from us. So that's why they look small. Stars shine all day and night and they have light of its own. Can you see the twinkle twinkle little stars? How I wonder how you are? We cannot see stars during day because of the bright light of the sun. Yes, we are not able to see the stars during the day because the light has its own it's so much of light the sun is having that we cannot see the stars. When sun disappears and it's dark, stars can be seen twinkling in the sky. So when the sun disappears, when the dark is there, when the night is there, we can see the stars. Now let's have a quick recap whatever we have learned. In this video, all planets move on its fixed path called orbit. Earth moves on its imaginary line like a spinning top. This movement of the earth is called rotation. The movement of the earth around the sun is called revolution. Sun is the closest star to the earth. It is the ultimate source of energy on the earth. Moon is the only natural satellite of the earth. As I've told you also, let's test your knowledge. I'll be testing your knowledge whatever you have understood. First, fill in the blanks. The dash is the brightest object in the sky. Correct. It's sun. Next, the earth takes how many hours to rotate once? 24 hours, and we have 24 hours in a day. Stars are the huge balls of very hot gases. When we cannot see the moon at all, it is called the new moon. So that's why I'm telling you to find out the date of full moon and new moon. When we cannot see the moon, it is called the new moon. The moon takes 28 days to go around the earth. Dash is a star. Sun is a star. Thank you. I hope you understood this very interesting chapter, our universe, and you are going to read this chapter, and now you'll be able to learn it very quickly. I'll meet you again with the next chapter. Bye bye. Till then, take care. Stay safe.